The Salonist Marketplace is designed to help businesses get discovered and booked by clients who are already searching for their next appointment. It gives your business extra visibility by placing it in front of the clients looking for salons, spas, beauty centers, and wellness services nearby. In this lesson, we'll explore what the Salonist Marketplace is and how clients can discover and book your business online. Clients can start directly from the Salonist Marketplace, where they can browse different businesses, explore categories, and search for services or salons based on what they're looking for. Using the search bar, clients can search by service, business name, location, and even select a preferred booking date to narrow down their results. Once they search, matching businesses appear instantly along with their locations on the map, making it easy to discover nearby options and compare choices. This makes discovery easier for clients. Instead of searching across different platforms, they can browse businesses, compare options, and book directly in one place. Let's take a look. Here, a client is searching for a barbershop. The marketplace displays available businesses, their details, and the locations right away. Clients can open any business profile to explore more information, view photos, check ratings and reviews, and learn more before booking. When they're ready, booking is simple. Clients select their service, choose their preferred professional, then move to the booking schedule to select their preferred date and time for the available time slots. Once a slot is selected, they simply continue to confirm the appointment. And just like that, the booking is completed. The client receives a booking confirmation instantly, creating a smooth and seamless booking experience from discovery all the way to the confirmation. Whether clients discover you through search results, categories, map listings, or recommendations, the Salonist Marketplace helps return visibility into bookings and connects your business with clients already searching for services like yours.